There is a dead frog in my brake drum. There you go. First for everything. Alright, so we got our jack stands set up. I always put jacks underneath even though the jack stands are supporting the weight of the rear end. What we're going to do is going to get up underneath, take off that crusty ass pumpkin, and we're going to do the axle seals for both sides. Well, there's the axle seal right there, all gummed up and corroded. Looks like both of them might have been leaking, so this is a perfect opportunity. I guess I can use a screwdriver to take this out. Maybe this little breaker bar to get under that lip. Yeah.
Just use the fucking axle. Jesus Christ, if I come down to Florida.
Frosty. And that's how you use the end of the axle to pull the seal. Thanks for the hot tip, Al. Again, got the 72mm seal. Could go a little bigger if I wanted to, but that's going to stop from going in too far right at the lip of the housing. These are Nationals. I got these at Slow Riley's. The model number is 8835S, and that's for this 10-bolt rear. You can see the coating on these older ones were green. This one's red, no difference. It's there to help guide it in and then seat the seal once you're all set. If you ever have to pull these out again, this is designed to go away once you bash it in. Sacrificial. And again, once these fail, not only are you allowing gear oil to come out, but you're also allowing dirt and debris to come in. And a lot of times on these axles, you'll get what's called a dirt race. That's where dirt gets into the cup here, and it'll just ride along the axle over and over and over again. It'll kind of almost sand in an O-ring, or an O, if you will. Lined up. Hold it there. Get our mini Thor. See what I'm saying? Gotta get nice and even. I'm glad that worked because it went in on an angle. I'm glad I was able to center it up without destroying it. Yeah, that looks good. Didn't ruin that one. And have I ruined them? Yes. Have I had to go to another auto parts store because I bought the last one? Yes. You don't want to let the axle ride on the seal until it's centered as much as you can, because it'll prematurely kill it. Again, once we put the C-clips in and get its final resting spot and everything buttoned up, we'll clean all this up, because again, not only is this going to decrease the stopping force, oh look, that's pretty cool. There is a dead frog in my brake drum. There you go. First for everything.